the kind of hand-holding support Rafshala gives you, you just move on with them, you just be with them with the flow, and they will take you across the ocean. Hi guys, my name is Ayush Tadagi. I have completed my mechanical engineering in 2017. Thereafter, I have also completed my MBA in marketing in 2019 from College of Agribusiness Management, Pantnagar. Thereafter, I joined the course of Craftshalla as an MLP student. I have been specifically placed as an intern in SplashLearn as a digital marketing executive. I have already liked the page of Craftshalla in Facebook itself. To be very honest, I have my one of my friend who was already studying in FMS. He also advised me to like this. I quit my job in July 2019. I got a notification around in August of this MLP batch. I was very much excited to pursue my digital marketing. So I have evaluated various options, like it was Digital Vidya, it was Upgrad. But one thing which strikes me a lot for Craftshalla very specifically, I felt this brand is very much young and with full of energy. The major reason of me enrolling in this course is all the other platforms, their goal is to get you enrolled and they will leave you into the ocean of knowledge and you just learn it. They don't care about you, to be very honest. And then thereafter there is Craftshalla, who was putting day in, day night efforts. Although I'm from an MBA marketing background, but the kind of content Craftshalla delivers, it's totally industry related content. The honest truth about MBAs in India today is that the concept which are going there is quite random, and it's going from the past 20-30 years. It's not anything related to industry. When I enrolled into this particular course, there was a myth somewhere in my mind that I'm an MBA graduate, I have that edge over other students. But no, it was not true. When you enrolled into Craftshalla, when you have a lot of interaction with experts, when you have a lot of case studies, when you deal into a lot of businesses, you realize how the businesses are going in this digital era fully. And and that's how I realized that, oh, I don't know anything about marketing. So yeah, that was very, very surprising. I realized this particular fact that in order to land a job in marketing, it's not the piece of paper or degree which will be gonna work out, but rather some skill set which is being required in the industry. I'm not saying that it's wrong to pursue MBA, but it's great to pursue MBA and to understand the basics of marketing. But if you want to be very specific and update yourself, I think the course like this, the best part about Craftshalla is that, we worked on case studies, which has just a month before launches products and wants to go for a digital strategy. You are so much updated right into the market that what's going right now and what's gonna be happen in the next 2 months. So this is what the difference I felt. It was great. I mean, we have a batch of almost 22 students. Everybody was from different areas of country. Everybody has a different academic background. When we used to work on the group, that's when the ideas flows out. While I'm sitting in Uttarakhand, if you interact with a person sitting in West Bengal, you get to know how are the people of West Bengal are thinking, to be very honest. As a marketer, you need to be very much user-centric. And we have a lot of personal interactions as well. We didn't realize that we have known ourselves from past 3 months. No, we thought we have known each other from past 3 years. I never assumed that such kind of brains also exist in MLPs, and they have bring a lot of value to my life. I've learned a lot from them, from our batchmates too. The biggest learning for me was that we learned about how to distribute our budgets. We never worked in one case study. We never worked into 2 case studies. We worked into a lot of case studies, which enforced our practicality very much strongly. And we learned that how the budget needs to be distributed to get the best return on that particular thing. So I think that is the best learning. I have become a lot of user-centric. How the customer acquisition funnel works out, how the organic post works out, how the inorganic post work out. You cannot thinking your product. You always have to go as a user. So we have a lot of interactions. We have interactions with experts who are from the India's leading digital marketing agency. You learn a lot from them. And I still remember the interaction with Ronak for paid marketing for FB ads and for Google ads. It was very, very, very much enlightening, and learning experience for us. So they used to tell us what are the various strategies we can think of as well. It's not just about this is wrong or right. It's more about that this is how also you can think. If I talk about SEO, the interaction with Aditya was absolutely amazing. He was a kind of guy who can solve you any query in a very light mode. As an entry level marketing roles, you have a lot of doubts, you have a lot of questions. Why does it happen? So why doesn't it happen? You ask them 10 times, you ask them 20 times, they will be very happy to tell you that see, this is how it can also work out, and what was the reason, they will very much specify. I think Craftshala has given us already a lot here in terms of knowledge. Even after we got placed for internships, I don't think any edtech organizations do go behind these things in terms of how to deliver your PPT, how to make the best of the presentation. As an MLP student, I will be very honest with you, we have left our lives to Craftshala. They knows what to deliver, they knows what not to deliver. To be very honest, I too roughly don't have any idea a lot. Issue, we have left everything on Issue, Sumona and Ishta. We don't know kya chahiye industry mein, what is not required. Craftshala knows it. So there's one strong message which I have for them. It's not about a PPO, it's not about a job offer. You will get it eventually anyhow, but Craftshala will set you for the next 5 years. So yeah, you need to focus on learning. You should be very much ready to give your day in, day out, not just in weekdays and weekends as well, because they will work very, very hard behind you, not just in functional terms, but in terms of behavioral as well. And eventually you will get a best job offer. That's not an issue. You just move on with them. You just be with them with the flow, and they will take you across the ocean.